E-invoice made easy with Busy, just one click solution. From Busy 21, e-invoice generation has become more simpler. Generate e-invoice on one click without going to portal. Busy offers multiple benefits for generation of e-invoice from Busy 21. For example, generate e-invoice from Busy with just one simple click. Second, while generating e-invoice, you can check for possible error and then continue with generation of e-invoice. Third, integrated with e-waybill, that is, you can generate e-waybill and e-invoice combinedly with just one click. Next, you can generate e-invoice in bulk, that is, you can select multiple vouchers for which you want to generate e-invoice and generate e-invoice in bulk. Audit report. You can generate audit report and can find out those vouchers for which e-invoice has to be generated but e-invoice is not generated for them. User level control. Busy offers user level control as well, that is, you can specify user wise access who can generate e-invoice and who cannot. Let us see automatic process of e-invoice generation from Busy. For this, first of all, we will add a transaction. We will specify all other necessary details. Under transport details window, e-invoice generate is automatically set to yes. We will continue. We will generate e-invoice automatically. Before generating e-invoice, we will check for the possible error. Proceed with generation of e-invoice. We will preview e-invoice detail and then generate e-invoice. E-invoice generated successfully. Next, if you want, you can print for e-invoice. You can print invoice and here you can see IRN, acknowledgement number, acknowledgement date, and most importantly, e-invoice QR code is also printed. So, Busy is easiest solution to generate e-invoice. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.